Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to import a new template design into your Wix website, you probably noticed that Wix doesn't offer a simple import template button. It can feel a bit confusing, but don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you a clever workaround that uses Canva's free AI feature to get a fresh template onto your site. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to give your Wix site a whole new look, even if you're just starting out. All right, let's dive right in. The truth is, Wix doesn't make it straightforward to switch designs or bring in outside templates. You can't just grab a template file and drop it into your site. But with this workaround, we'll use a tool you're probably familiar with, Canva. Canva's new AI design feature can help us generate the code for a website template, free of charge, which we can then copy over to Wix. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry. It's super user-friendly, and you can access all the basic features at no cost. Once you're on the home page, look for the search bar. You'll type in code for me. This is Canva's AI feature that lets you generate website code based on your design ideas. Now, a little tip. When you're prompted, describe the kind of website template you want. You might want a sleek portfolio, a vibrant e-commerce homepage, or maybe just a minimalist blog layout. For example, if you type something like modern portfolio website, Canva's AI will start processing that request and generate some code for you. This step might take a bit of time. The AI needs a moment to build and render the design, so don't worry if it spins for a minute or two. Grab a coffee or just stretch your legs while you wait. Once Canva is done, it will present you with the raw website code, usually HTML and a bit of CSS. Take a look at it and make sure it roughly matches what you had in mind. If you're happy with it, go ahead and copy the code. You can always tweak it later, but this is a great starting point. Next, it's time to bring that design over to Wix. Head to your Wix website editor and choose the page where you want to place the new template. Now, look for the option to add elements. Usually you'll see an embed code or HTML iframe component. Drag and drop this onto your page. Before you paste your new code in, it's important to clear out any existing headers or footers from the embedded section. This just helps avoid any weird layout issues or conflicting designs. Think of it like making sure your canvas is blank before you start painting. You want your new template to really shine. With your embed box ready, paste the code from Canva right in. You might want to expand the section to make sure everything fits nicely. If any part of your design seems cramped or cut off, just drag the edges outward so the template displays at full width. Now, preview your Wix page. Take a moment to browse around. Make sure everything looks the way you want. If you see something that doesn't feel quite right, don't worry. You can jump back into the code and make some adjustments, or even regenerate a new template from Canva and try again. And that's all there is to it. With this simple workaround, you've brought a whole new template design into your Wix site using Canva AI. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on making your website dreams a reality. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.